Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Chevy Equinox trunk from inside. First, always prioritize safety. If you find yourself in the trunk, remain calm. Locate the emergency release handle, which is usually a small, T-shaped, glow-in-the-dark lever. This handle is designed for easy visibility and access in dark conditions. Pull it firmly towards you to unlatch the trunk and exit safely. Remember, this feature is a crucial safety measure. Understanding how the manual release works can be helpful. The emergency handle is directly connected to the trunk's latch assembly via a cable or rod. When you pull the handle, it mechanically disengages the locking mechanism, bypassing any electronic controls. This ensures that even if the vehicle loses power or the electronic system fails, you can still open the trunk. It's a simple yet effective design for critical situations. Sometimes, the trunk might not open easily. First, ensure no items are blocking the latch or the trunk lid's path. A misplaced bag or box can prevent it from opening fully. Also, inspect the emergency release handle and its connection for any visible damage or kinks in the cable. If the handle feels loose or doesn't engage, there might be a broken component. If problems continue, a mechanic can diagnose and fix the issue. Knowing your vehicle's safety features is incredibly important for peace of mind. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the emergency trunk release in your Chevy Equinox so you're prepared for any unexpected situation. It's a small action that can make a big difference. And speaking of bringing things to life, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker to enhance your home. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.